Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. So in this video, I'll be showing you another very useful tip. I'll be showing you how to turn on auto optimization. So like I said, this is a very useful tip and I recommend turning it on. But first of all, I'm just going to quickly explain what auto optimization is. So auto optimization, it's a feature that automatically maintains your phone's performance by clearing memory and closing unnecessary background apps and performing other tasks when the phone is not in use. So it's just going to help the phone to perform a lot better. Okay, so to turn this on, just simply follow my steps. So pull down the notification panel and go into the settings. And then scroll down and look for device care. Okay, so once you're in device care, simply scroll down to where it says auto optimization. Select it. And then here it pretty much explains everything that I said at the beginning of the video. So device care automatically performs optimizations to keep your phone running smoothly. This includes closing background apps and cleaning memory. So scroll down to where it says auto restart. And here it explains restarting your phone from time to time can help keep it running in the best condition. Your phone will only restart when the screen is off, the phone isn't being used, the battery is above 30%, and SIM card lock is off. And here we have two options. So you can turn on the first option, restart when needed. So this will restart when it's needed automatically. Or you can select this option here, restart on a schedule. And you can set the date between Monday to Sunday and you can set the time. And it will automatically restart once you set the date and the time. However, I just want it to restart when needed, so I'm just going to turn this option on. So yeah, this was just my quick video showing you how to turn on auto optimization on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, just so that it performs a lot better. Hope this video helped you out. If it did be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.